family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for a house update, and I've been working on other videos, so I haven't been able to post videos about the house, but that is about to change real quick. I have a huge haul of things that I'm going to be showing you guys from the house. So first of all, let me give you guys a little bit of an update. First of all, I'm sitting in our old apartment. This is our old bedroom. You guys know that we're back and forth. We have not completely moved. So we're still coming here and we're going there as well. We haven't even slept at the new house yet. Just because we still have access to this house, we've been just taking our time and buying things and setting it up. That way, once we go to the house, we'll have everything in place. But anyways, I just did a whole bunch of shopping. It's really hard to shop now, especially with everything going on. But I just have a few important things that I had to shop for the house, I guess, before we move in. So I'm going to show you guys some of these things. And then also, I just wanted to remind you guys that the house videos are not going anywhere. I'm going to walk you guys through everything as far as the house goes. But anyways, today's video is going to be a haul, and I'm just going to show you guys everything I got. And by the way, are you guys feeling this braid out? Yes, honey, yes. Look at this beautiful braid out. Okay, so this is a braid out, and I'm also wearing a workout shirt because I'm gonna go work out right after this video. The weather is super nice outside, and I'm gonna take that opportunity to go and walk. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I went to a few shops, and as you guys know, I will never leave the Dollar Tree out. So I have a lot of stuff actually from the Dollar Tree, but as I show you them, I'll tell you exactly where I got them from. Okay, so first thing first, I have some flowers. These guys right here. So these are super pretty. I actually got these from Joann's Fabric. As you guys know, it is springtime. I wanted to get them from the Dollar Tree, but I don't really like the quality of the flowers at the Dollar Tree. This one looks really beautiful, and they look real from a distance, depending on what angle you're looking at. But these are really nice, and these are gonna go on the countertop. So these were $9.99 a piece, and I grabbed two. So for those flowers, I have this beautiful vase right here. This was also from Joann's Fabric. So the flower and the vase are specifically for the kitchen. So I have a lot of grays and like whites in the kitchen, and I just wanted to give it a little bit of color, especially now that it is springtime. So this is perfect for that. I love the design on the vase. So the top part here has a different design, and then the bottom here has a different design. So this was actually $24.99. I'm gonna keep the leaves on the flower and then just put them in here like so, and then set it on the countertop. This is gonna look really nice. You're not really getting the full effect right now just because of the lighting. The lighting is really bad, and I hate the colors of this wall, so I'm glad we're moving because it has this like greenish color. It's really pretty in person, but it doesn't translate well on camera. So these two products are from Joann's Fabric. You guys are sleeping on the Dollar Tree, y'all. There's a lot of important stuff at the Dollar Tree. You just have to know how to shop there, because if you don't, you end up buying a whole bunch of stuff you don't need. But if you do know how to shop there, you end up buying a whole bunch of stuff that you actually need. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys from the Dollar Tree is this beautiful basket. So this basket is perfect for a lot of things actually, but this I'm actually going to use as an organizer for my cleaning supplies. So this is what it looks like. It has a really pretty design, super cute. You can actually put some flowers in here like so, and just set it somewhere. Look how cute that is. But I'm actually gonna use this as storage. So next thing on the list are a few more baskets. So I have two of this green one right here. I'll show you guys. Ooh, they're pretty stuck together. Anyways, there's two of them in here, and then I have this pink one. So I'm also gonna use these as storage. I'm just gonna set these underneath the sink or the kitchen island or just somewhere, but these are perfect to keep your stuff organized. So the next few things here are actually for the kitchen. So this is an oven mitt, or oven gloves. For those of you who don't know, this is for when you bake. This is gonna help you not burn your hands. So you can grab the hot pots with it. You can arrange the, the sections in the oven. And then these right here are pot holders, also from the Dollar Tree. So it comes as a pack of two. And it matches this because these are the colors I'm going for, I guess. I just went with like, you know, pretty bright colors because it's springtime. Next up for the kitchen is this mat. This is for when you wash your dishes or for your pots and stuff. You can just set this over the counter. And then when you wash your pots, like when you hand wash them, which we hand wash a lot of our dishes. So we just put this on the counter and then flip the pots over or pans or whatever it is. You can just flip them over and set them over here. That way the water drains out of it and it goes in here. So that is why this is perfect. I also got a kitchen towel. The funny thing is I actually thought this was for spring, but it's not. It's actually for fall. So when I saw it, I thought it was really cute and I grabbed it. And then later on, I realized that is actually for fall, but that's fine. No one cares. It's super cute. So I went ahead and picked it out. The next things here are washcloths. The Dollar Tree does carry a lot of washcloths. So this is a pack of 2. They also have the microfiber washcloths, which I've also gotten from there as well. These you can probably get as a pack of 5 or 6 from like Walmart or Target or Marshalls, and it's gonna run you about $5 to $6 to even $10. But you can get 2 of the same kind of thing from the Dollar Tree and it works just fine. Another thing from the Dollar Tree that I love are these trash bags. So this trash bag is by Goodson's and there are 10 trash bags in here. I actually got 2 of them. So 20 trash bags for $2. I mean, where else are you gonna get that? And the quality on this is really good as well, guys. If you haven't tried it, I highly encourage you to try it. So these are trash bags for like the bathrooms or the kitchen. We normally use this in our kitchen and it fits our kitchen trash can perfectly, and I'll show you guys all of this. So yeah, that is why I got these. The next thing on the list is this super huge dish rack. This guy right here. So this guy is also from Marshalls. It's super big. I like the bottom of it because it has like a lift to it. So when you set it down, there's like space between it. So when the water comes through, it's not setting in there because that can harbor a lot of bacteria. It has these little compartments where you can set your plates, your cups, and everything in here, and it stays in its place. And then the third great thing about this is it's also compressible. So when you store it, you can store it like that. And then when you push it out, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Yes, you can push it out like that. Yep, you can push it out like that and voila. You have a big old tub here. You can store your spoons on this side and then all your plates on this side. And then on the bottom, it has a way for the water to escape through. So that is why I like this. This was actually $17. I paid $17 for this one, but I like it because again, it saves a lot of space because when you're done, you can just compress it back and then store it. Here we go. The next thing I got from the Dollar Tree is this mesh strainer right here. And for those of you guys who don't know what this is great for your sinks, especially your kitchen sinks. So I've lived in apartments for so long and I'm so used to like calling for maintenance. Whenever anything goes wrong, you call them. But when you have a house, you have to worry about all of this stuff. And if anything goes wrong, you're the one who has to fix it. So until we can find a higher, better quality, this is gonna do for now. And honestly, they all work the same. All you do is you take this part right here, set it in the sink, and it holds everything. So like hair and, you know, pieces of food and all of that. And then you have a smaller one here for maybe your bathroom sink or something like that. So this was also $1 from the Dollar Tree. Next on the list are these little outlet plugs. We have a lot of outlets in the new house, and you guys know that we have a baby who's very, very busy. So this is gonna help with that. So we're just gonna use this to cover all the outlets so she's not sticking her tiny little fingers or anything she can grab in there. Next up is this measuring cup. This cup was from the Dollar Tree. It's a rubber cup. The quality is pretty good and it holds up to 4 cups of whatever. So this one is pretty simple, but it's very, very important as well. So the last thing from the Dollar Tree are these reusable rubber lunch bowls. So these you can use to store your, leftover stuff in. It comes as a pack of 4 and it also comes with a lid. So this again is very simple, but it's very important, especially for us Africans who like to share food with people. You don't want to be giving out your good stuff. So if you make something and you want to share with your neighbor or your aunties and moms and all of those people, you can just put them in here and send it away. And if it doesn't come back, oh well, you only paid $1 for it. Last but not least is this cute little succulent flower pot thing. This right here. This is really cute. It looks real, but it's actually not real. I got this from Burlington for $9 because I'm trying to incorporate some greenery in the house. So this is gonna go in the kitchen somewhere by the window or something, but I absolutely love this. Close up, it looks absolutely real, and it has the little rocks in there. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, this is super cute, so that's why I got this one. The next video you're gonna see is probably going to be a video in the new house. I'm gonna start to decorate the new house because, as I said, it's been really hard to shop for anything. We were right in the middle of moving and trying to buy stuff when all of this happened. So I had to order some of my stuff, and I had to be very strategic when it comes to shopping. So that is what I've been doing. So like I said, I have a lot more videos on the house coming up. I probably have a lot more hauls. I'm gonna walk you guys through every single thing as far as like picking out the color of the couch, the lighting, the this and that, all of that fun stuff. I want you guys to just experience everything with me. So I'm gonna be putting those videos out here soon. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.